Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is March 6th, 2025, and we're diving into the latest earnings report from Victoria's Secret. Joining us is John, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss Victoria's Secret's performance, especially given the interesting developments in their fourth quarter results.
Absolutely. Victoria's Secret has reported their fourth quarter and full year 2024 results. Let's get into the details. Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Victoria's Secret reported net sales of $2.16 billion for the fourth quarter of 2024, which is a 1% increase compared to the previous year. John, can you elaborate on this performance?
Certainly. The net sales increase is modest, but what's impressive is the 5% rise in comparable sales. This indicates strong performance across their stores and digital channels, particularly in North America and internationally. The adjusted operating income also saw a healthy increase to $299 million, reflecting effective cost management and margin improvements.
And the adjusted earnings per share came in at $2.60, which exceeded the analyst forecast of $2.30. What does this tell us about the company's profitability?
This is a significant beat, showcasing Victoria's Secret's ability to drive profitability even in a competitive environment. The increase in adjusted EPS from $2.58 last year to $2.60 this year highlights their operational efficiencies and successful execution of strategic initiatives.
Strategic initiatives and brand performance. Victoria's Secret CEO Hilary Super expressed optimism about the future, especially after a strong holiday season. How did the brands perform, and what strategic initiatives stood out?
The CEO's optimism is well-founded. Both the Victoria's Secret and Pink brands performed exceptionally well, with sales growth in major merchandise categories. The company also saw growth in both their digital and store channels, which is crucial in today's retail landscape. Internationally, they continue to gain momentum, which bodes well for future expansion.
It seems like their strategy to connect emotionally with customers is paying off. How important is this for their long-term growth?
It's very important. Building emotional connections with customers can lead to increased brand loyalty and repeat business. By differentiating their brands through compelling storytelling, Victoria's Secret is positioning itself for sustainable long-term growth.
Future outlook and guidance. Looking ahead, Victoria's Secret has provided guidance for the first quarter and full year 2025. What are the key points from their outlook?
For the first quarter of 2025, they're forecasting net sales between $1.30 billion and $1.33 billion, with adjusted operating income ranging from $10 million to $30 million. For the full year, they expect net sales between $6.2 billion and $6.3 billion, and operating income between $300 million and $350 million. This guidance reflects their cautious optimism amid macroeconomic uncertainties.
How should investors interpret this guidance?
Investors should see this as a balanced approach. While there are near-term headwinds, the company is confident in its strategies to drive growth. The guidance suggests they are prepared to navigate challenges while capitalizing on opportunities in both North America and international markets.
Key takeaways. In summary, Victoria's Secret has delivered a strong fourth quarter with impressive profitability and strategic execution. John, any final thoughts on their investment prospects?
Victoria's Secret is showing resilience and adaptability in a challenging retail environment. Their focus on brand differentiation and customer connection is promising for long-term growth. Investors should keep an eye on their international expansion and digital channel performance.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Victoria's Secret's performance in the comments below.